Okay, what's going on, guys? My name is Javier. Today I like talking about ChatGPT. So what's the ChatGPT? So let's get started. First, the most easy way you can use is use the Google Chrome. As you can see from the video from here, that's the Google Chrome. Then the most easy way to do the ChatGPT is, wait, let me see, extension, from the extension. Okay. From the extension, the more tool. This is Chinese extension, and then you can add the ChatGPT from here. See, from here and add the ChatGPT. Just search the ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Let me switch it to English. See, so I have done it. I have installed it. So you can install it in the Google Chrome. And then what should you do? You should have the Google Chrome, the Google account. Then it appears on here, on the top corner of the right top corner. So just click on the ChatGPT with the Google. And wait, let me drag my video. There. And then if you have the account of the Google, and then just click on the button chatgptopenpi.com. As you can see, now it's logging to the Google Chrome. And ask which question you would like to ask. For example, I would like to ask about the NumPy. So why is NumPy? Okay. And then click on enter. So see, the ChatGPT will answer you all the questions about what NumPy. So how to programming NumPy. Also, you can use the Chinese, but I prefer to use English. But in some language, I doesn't try it. So see, the ChatGPT will tell you use the pip install NumPy. So what is the NumPy? It tells you about all of it. And then NumPy array shows here. And then click on continue. You continue talking about. If you would like to get the more answer, you can use the continue. That's a very easy way to use the ChatGPT. So that's the topic of today's ChatGPT. So see you next time. Bye.